Hey guys, it's Eileen from Bates Photography.
And I'm Dan.
We're going antiquing today looking for garden decor.
Come along for the ride.
So what do you do?
Cranberry scoop.
A cranberry scoop.
When you go up the bush, it just plucks all the berries off and gathers them.
So
You
cool.
can use this for lots of things. The chamomile flowers, the blueberries. Problem is you're taking
Massive.
the ones you don't want with the ones you want. That's the only issue with doing it like that.
Right. Ooh, look at these baskets. Yikes. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is definitely an upscale antique place. What is it that makes these type of dolls so creepy? Oh, my dream.
Yeah, I didn't want to know.
Probably $1 million.
$300.
300 bucks. I'm telling you, bougie antique place this is. Look at all of them up there. So this is, I believe, a proper like primitives type curated place. Definitely out of our league. Ooh, look at the little ones. Oh my gosh, look at that rooster thing. What? That is adorable. $950. Yeah, this is definitely not our typical antique place. I keep saying it. I mean, it's lovely stuff. Like, but yeah. Do you remember my colonial phase, babe?
Yeah.
Everything was primitives.
You buy a new permanent black chair and put the old permanent black chair in the closet.
But those were fake primitives. What is that? Look. It's an egg. What is that?
It's an English shit.
But you hang it?
No. we just
That's
have it
so
hung for display.
cool. Gosh, look at all these like cauldrons and stuff. Oh my gosh, it's a stuffed chicken. What is going on with that?
Taxidermy.
Wow, look how big. Like, first of all, that's for indoors.
That's a harvest basket. You wear like a backpack.
Oh, that's so cool.
As you're gathering, you just throw it over your shoulder.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
like-
That's like going to the wilderness.
Well, that's like Central America, indigenous peoples. That's how they.
Yeah. These are like some sort of antique chicken whistle. That's adorable. That was a bit of a bust.
They've lost their damn mind. I don't care about, our current state of the union or inflation. $900 for a little carved wooden chicken, unless George Washington sat on it, is no reason being that price.
Time to check out antique stores that are more in our price point. this one is gonna have some better pricing. Thank you, honey. Pretty. These magnets are cute. Oh, look at that chicken, babe. Okay, I don't know what it is, but how cute would this guy be in the garden? Babe.
Whatever you want.
How much is it? Oh, I don't want to break them.
$29.
$29. There's always like the classic Christmas booth, isn't there? I guess Christmas sells all year.
Unless you go to Christmas tree shops, which ironically isn't something for Christmas outside of Christmas.
Until Christmas. We are walking up to something called the Parsonage. I have never been here. Those other two antique stores we have checked out in the past, so I'm excited. Or something. Cute. Oh, they're cute already. Got little bird houses. Oh my gosh, like that's adorable. That ear of corn is adorable. Look at that little goose. Oh, the frog under the umbrella. Stop. That is adorable. That is what I'm looking for. Please tell me it's not $1 million. Look at that little squirrel. Oh my gosh. This place is so cute. And I'm like halfway up the stairs here. I'm not even like in a booth. So cute in here. I can't stop saying that, but this is adorable. Oh, I'm so glad we stopped. Look at the stained glass windows. I love these old homes. Oh my gosh. If he is $10 or under, he's got to come home. Let's find out. Oh, 18. Can't do it.
I don't know, that might be just what you're looking for.
Oh my gosh.
It's ceramic, it's
ceramic.
I don't have to do any work to it.
No.
I can just sit it in place.
Oh my gosh. And let's see, $25. You can't even like sit in one of those paint your own potteries for $25. That's beautiful and big. That's perfect, honey.
Yeah.
He's perfect.
He may actually be a little too big, but it's better than getting too small.
Yeah, no, we definitely want to pick him up. He's coming home. In the front of our house, we have a new addition. Oh, I just love him so much.
Look, I got you the rooster.
You like him, girls?
They're just worried about what treats we have.
I know. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. That is perfect.
You want to make her look too small.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gracious, that is so cute. Oh, there's our sunflowers just shooting up in the back. Wow, and that little chickie here was our last visit to an antique store down the shore. And my husband put little fairy lights and she lights up at night. But look at these two. Ah, perfection. What a successful day antiquing. Thanks for joining us, and please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.